but you're really wrong. What do you think Kill Roxy? Maybe you should listen. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to get a partner? Well, tough luck. You won't find one here. Put some scotch or something. Fine. Take the marker.